Good morning. So it is snowing today. I only have half of my eye done because I had to do a video really quick this morning and posted it before it got too late. But yeah, that's what I did, and that's why I have half my face done. Our poor palm trees are just
like that one looks like a umbrella.
I know. You can't eat that. Take that from her, please.
Yeah. Let's jump.
We have to get up in here and get cleaned up and get outside before it gets too dark.
Food for sale, food for sale.
What you selling, baby? Hi.
She's playing in her car seat. And she's gonna play in her Juniper. No, you keep the camera there. So we have to take a picture.
Look at that chunky girl. I want to take this time to say something important that's been eating me up inside. If you guys have not already subscribed to this channel and hit the like button, don't forget to do that before you guys leave. This house can never be quiet.
Just go ahead.
Babe, she's fully wearing Juniper's outfit. She's wearing Juniper's pants and shirt.
It's okay. Sophie, do it too.
Why are you wearing your sissy's outfit? But she won't keep her own clothes on. Your
I swear.
butt's gonna show. Baby, you're wearing your sissy's outfit. Sadie, go get some pants.
Dad was like, do you want to be a burrito? Sadie's like, no, I want to be a chip. This is funny today. We're gonna go to the Sadie and
You guys don't stick stickers on this bench. This was you, Sophie. Yes, it was you. I saw you earlier.
I saw you earlier too. Say Juniper.
Say JJ.
Yeah. Juniper's the one who again.
Say JJ.
Okay. We're getting ready
Why
to
she
go
have
out.
those shoes?
She wants those shoes. They don't even fit her. Her foot's like half the size of those. But we're not, I don't think we're gonna like play outside in the snow. We have to go get warm. Well, they have a lot of hats, so I think they're fine with hats. Huh?
Va a nevar hasta el domingo. All day Sunday too.
Yeah, well, I think that we got on whatever we did have that was warm. And she's picking her nose. He needs warm ones. Those are like, I hate the cotton ones. They get wet right away. I want to get them like stronger ones. So we're gonna, you want me to hold you? Hold on. She needs her socks on that you left upstairs too.
Oh. Oh,
you have to go get them. You left everything upstairs. You need to get it.
Oh, bring the socks already.
No, come on. I have to do your hair. You left everything upstairs. The little handprints are being covered up more. It's freezing.
Daddy, you put on mine.
We just got back home.
And
we went to Walmart to try to find some gloves for the kids.
They were all sold out.
Yeah, but they were sold out.
Daddy.
No.
No.
Oh. We're gonna play.
Because her name was Jonathan and Daddy.
We're gonna play Dare or Dare.
Dare or Dare?
Yes.
Yeah.
So first dare, Daddy.
No, I'll do it.
Y'all ready for this?
I want to do
So-
it.
Snow angel with no shirt.
I told him he has to run around outside with no shoes.
Me too.
But you guys are gonna be sick, and I don't want to hear you guys crying. You hear me?
daring us.
Step on that. I'm just
You're
gonna
daring
step
us.
on
Just step right there, Joey. You don't run around. Just step right there with your feet for 5
Go.
seconds.
5 seconds.
Stand both feet. Both feet. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5.
I'm gonna count. 1,
Lock
2,
him out.
3, 4.
5.
That shit feel. That shit.
I can't.
I can't.
I'm gonna dare you to.
Eat snow. Yellow snow.
Yellow snow.
Yeah. Wait, I'll.
They have to
He's like, I did it.
Okay, I dare Sophie to eat a handful of snow.
Échale color, échale limoncito y
Come
raspado.
on, un raspado.
That's a lot of snacks.
Okay, okay.
It's cold.
Okay, let's see your snow.
Pero con todo el pelo ahí en la pinche.
Oh, the challenge where you put your face in the snow. We have to do it.
Oh
Okay, let me get.
Okay, mommy and daddy.
no! Mom, Daddy.
Look at my face. Don't do it.
I didn't even leave the mark.
I know, and it was cold. I didn't do it long enough, but it was cold as fuck.
Okay, we're done.
Don't do it.
We are done.
It hurt.
Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. No.
Okay, there we go.
You see it?
Look at the cheeks.
Big ass forehead too.
Dude, look at mine. It wasn't even nothing compared to his.
Look at your chin, the difference.
Okay, everyone has to dance at her concert.
Okay, ready?
We love her! We want her to sing a song! Sing a song! Sing a song!
Sing a song. Sing a song. Sing a song. Sing a song.
Let's make a big one for Sophie.
Whoa.
Good job.
Oh, wait.
Bring it around
Her
town.
little face. Oh, she sent it straight to the camera. I want to see that. That's a chunky baby. That's a chunky
What is in
baby.
your mouth? Squeeze your cheeks?
I'm just gonna stay and do my
Yeah, there's something in there, huh?
Grab it. You check.
Here, hold this.
I didn't feel anything,
Mommy.
but
Mommy, you get. You have to go to the kitchen. You understand?
go to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen.
Yeah, because it's getting all over everything.
But don't spill, please.
Ooh, that's the first thing they do with bubbles.
De este video.
We've reached the end.
Hemos llegado a este final. Es tiempo de decirles que aquí se terminó todo ya. Y no
We'll see.
empieza hasta el siguiente episodio.
You probably zoomed in on our face like
No, I didn't.
we look like the guy like my feed.
You're like,
Oh, there's only pink and.
¿y si va a ir? It's insane.
Daddy, I'm gonna fall like this. Yeah?
If you want. You're snow angels. Put your head back. You gotta put your hoodie on.
I don't.
Sophie has a little snowsuit on.
That was used to be mine.
Used to be Jonathan's, but it didn't fit him anymore. I don't have snow boots, but hey, cowboy boots. Holy crap. Look, it's crazy. Look at our steps, you can't even see. Make it, do it, move your feet.